Hello, good morning. I'm Dave Garcia, Sales Consultant of Baik Bacolor, Pampanga. And this is the Baik B40 Ragnar. This is the Baik B40 2025 model, SUV type. Then all LED lights with 5-hole grills, aggressive bumper. Meron na din siyang functional tow hook. This is 161 horsepower, 380 Nm torque, then 4 inline cylinder, tapos 2.0 turbo diesel. Then pagdating naman dito sa gulong, meron tayong all-terrain tires na merong size na 265 by 65 17-inch alloy. And this is the aggressive SUV body type. At pagdating dito sa likod, nandito na yung kanyang spare tire. Naka-indicate na din dito yung TDI, which is turbo diesel intercooler. Then B40 Baik, which is chrome finish. Tapos sa opening niya, meron na tayong hydraulic opening, which is mas pinadali siya. Nandito na din yung sensor niya sa likod, back cam, then functional tow hook. At kung mapapansin niyo yung LED natin na ilaw sa likod, which is DRL. Not usual car na meron siyang box type lang dito sa likod. Siya pinalagyan na siya ng design. Tapos dito naman sa safety features natin, meron siyang matitirang frame which is removable roof, rear and front. Meron siyang napakalawang na space which is kung maglalagay tayo ng balikbayan box, kasyang-kasya siya dito. At dahil meron siyang taas na 210mm ground clearance, nandito na yung built-in stepboard, tamang-tama para sa ating pang-off-road. And dito naman sa driver seats, meron siyang 10-way power adjustable, then all leather finish, 5-seaters luxury look. This is the steering wheel, aura finish. Then meron tayong 12.3-inch instrument panel digital, 10-inch infotainment digital. At dito naman po banda, sa ating glove box, pwede tayong magpalamig ng beer or bottled water. Meron siyang on and off cooler. Then electronic 4-wheel drive, adjustable. At ito pala ay meron na din siyang 4 type of modes depende sa inyong driving situation. Meron siyang Eco, Comfort, Snow, and Sport. This is the start-stop push engine. And this is the dual function handrest. Pwede nyo siyang gawin space for your cellphone. Meron na din siyang USB port. And this is the luxury look shifter. Meron na din siyang electronic handbrake. At dito naman sa likod, meron tayong 220 volts for your small appliances or socket. Then meron na din tayong rear aircon. Bali makukuha nyo si Baik B40 Ragnar sa halagang 2.368 or meron tayong all-in down payment para sa ating in-house financing, 108 all-in down payment. At makukuha nyo siya ng 2.168 kung cash or bank PO. Bali discounted price siya ng 200,000. At pagdating naman sa kanyang warranty, meron siyang 5 years warranty or 150,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. Then plus free 1 year, 24/7 roadside assistance by Laos Group of Company.